CEX.io Crypto Staking Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to CXAO are in the description. CXAO is a popular crypto exchange that offers a comprehensive staking platform, providing an easy way for users to earn rewards on their crypto assets. This platform is designed for both beginners and seasoned crypto enthusiasts looking to generate passive income by holding various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. It supports a range of digital assets, making it appealing to users with diverse portfolios. One of the key features of CX.io's staking platform is its user-friendly interface, which simplifies the staking process. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned investor, you'll find that staking on CX.io requires minimal effort. The platform offers competitive returns, typically ranging from 5% to 15% APY, depending on the cryptocurrency and staking terms. Additionally, it allows for flexible staking, meaning users can choose between short-term or long-term locking periods for their assets, depending on their financial goals. CX.io also ensures transparency with its reward structure, showing users exactly how much they will earn over time. It pays out staking rewards regularly, so users can enjoy consistent returns on their investments. The platform supports multiple staking rewards for different coins, making it easy to diversify staking efforts and increase earnings. On the security front, CX.io uses industry-standard measures to protect user funds, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage for digital assets. This commitment to security ensures that your assets are safe while you earn staking rewards. In summary, CX.io's staking platform is a reliable and flexible option for crypto holders looking to earn passive income. Its competitive rates, easy-to-use interface, and secure environment make it ideal for both beginners and experienced users alike. Check the links in the description to start staking on CX.io today.